Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I am Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about the Mercedes Wheel Spaces factory, BONOSS. Let's go. Wheel spaces are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt had good mechanical properties compared with industrial standards. The cheap spacers which using low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default the endangered driving safety under strong impact. In contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reached a accuracy of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.